Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the keyboard theme on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is go to settings. Now scroll all the way down and then choose system, then keyboard, and finally on-screen keyboard, and then choose Gboard. And over here we can choose theme, and here we have some presets which we can also download. So if you want to have like a gradient, if you want to use a landscape or a dark gradient, then you can simply choose your favorite one. And after you are done, you can press apply or also enable and disable the key borders. And there we go, the theme has been changed. Now, in addition to that, you can also create your own theme by pressing this plus button at the top. You can use your photo, you can also adjust it, so you can scale it, you can reposition it, then tap next. We can adjust the brightness of the keyboard, or sorry, not the keyboard, but the image, and then press done. And once again, you can apply the key borders if needed. And there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.